Here's some more chords. As you have already been told, we're going to play all movable chords from now on. I think the only chord that you haven't gone over in this exercise, exercise 1, is the C augmented chord. And that is, if you play the F chord, not that the F that you have listed right in front of you, but just the first 4 strings, and you moved it down 1 string, that means lower 1 string. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to do 2, 3, 4, 5. Different sound. That's your C augmented chord. And from now on, we're going to start talking where the roots are. The augmented chord, the root on this chord, if you're calling it C, can be your lowest note or your top note. I'll go back to this, the root of the augmented chord in a minute. These 4 other chords that we're playing, F chord, we're going to say that the root is the first string, right? F. The B flat chord that you've played before, the root is first finger, 5th string. If this is B flat, this is C. This is D. F7. If I have a choice between root of 6th string or 1st string, since the 6th string is the closest to me, I'll say the root is the 6th string. F7. And C7, the root you can have either on the 2nd string or the 5th string. To me, the 5th string is closer to me looking at, I'm going to say the 5th string. So it's F, B flat, F7, C7, C augmented. Again, talking about the augmented chord, augmented can be either written C augmented, written out augmented, C aug, A-U-G, or C with a plus. And how do we get the augmented chord? It's a major chord with a sharp 5. If we have a C chord, if we sharp the G, we have C augmented, the 5th degree. Just one footnote about the C augmented chord. You will find out, and we will talk about this later, that any of the notes, the way the chord is constructed, any of the notes can be the root of the chord. It could be a C augmented chord, an E augmented chord, a G sharp or A flat augmented chord, and we're back to C. But we'll cover that another time. Here's exercise 1. I will use the repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Augmented. 1, 2, 3. The Roman numerals are now really important to look at because they will force us to play certain chords in certain places so that we're not going to be always using the same form. Like I said, there are many forms and places to play chords. So every time we learn a new form, we're going to be actually told where to play it so that we're using that form. Now, exercise 2 really is the same exercise, only up a whole step. So we're going to play this. If we played this F chord in the 1st fret, the G chord is going to be in the 3rd fret. No, we're not going to be playing this G. We're going to be playing this. So the first 4 measures of exercise 1, just quickly. Second exercise, everything's the same forms. Okay? Here's exercise 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. C7, C, E flat 7, D,